Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Let's analyze tomorrow's markets and understand where support and resistance is for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Starting off with Nifty first, as it was its expiry today. Nifty gave a gap up opening above this resistance level, right? Where we could see that Nifty tried to take support and move upside, but this couldn't stay for long. And after the first candle itself, Nifty started trading below this resistance. But if you look at all these candles in the first half of the trading session, all of them are indecisive, where buyers and sellers were constantly fighting until it took a final resistance, and we saw a sharp fall till its support at 21,600. There was no follow through or continuation of this fall, and after testing this support level, we saw a sharp recovery as well, where all this fall of 80 points had been recovered in this one single candle itself. And Nifty's closing is somewhere around 21,670, but the final post market closing is somewhere around 21,650. And if we look at Nifty's OI suggests the same, that 21,650 is a support level, resistance level, a major resistance level, which justifies today's closing at 21,647. If we directly move on to the next week's OI, 21,700 is looking like a major resistance, and 21,600 a minor support, because if you look at the put writing and the call writing difference, call writers are slowly dominating this level. So we'll treat this as a minor support level and a major support level at 21,500, which has been our major demand zone since multiple previous trading sessions. If we come back to our chart now, this range of previous 5 trading session, now this range is a volatile zone, and we will treat it as a no trading zone for Nifty, because we have seen some wild swings in this range. So if Nifty opens flat or in between this range, spends some time here and then gives a break, we could plan till this resistance or the ATH resistance at 21,800, right? Nifty could make a new ATH, but we would wait for it to touch this level and see how it reacts. On the downside, now we will not trade all these levels and wait for it to touch 21,500 level. But if it breaks down directly, wait for a while, because if you look at yesterday's trading session as well, after a strong sell-off candle, it broke the low of this candle, but you can see that immediately it trapped all the sellers who had entered in this candle, right? We saw a sharp recovery and went back in the range and took support at 21,500. So wait for it to give a breakdown, retest this level, and wait for a strong bearish type pattern. Then then you can enter. But if it touches this level, spends some time, and then gives a breakdown, you can enter, right? uh, Simultaneously, if we move on to Bank Nifty has given an interesting closing, where it had directly opened above this 47,500 level, and it took support in the most of the uh, trading session, and mainly the first half of the trading session, until it gave a breakdown of this level, and we saw it close somewhere around 47,500 after giving a sharp recovery along with Nifty. We can see a trend line that has been forming in Bank Nifty, right? But let's look at our OI first of Bank Nifty. 47,500, since it gave a breakdown, 47,500 is still a resistance level. But if you look at the put side OI, now it has reduced a bit, but it's slowly dominating. We can see people trying to go long or become bullish, right? Yesterday's PCR also was less than 0.8, so we can see that the OI is slowly building towards the bullish side. Simultaneously, if we look at the downside as well, 47, 300 and 200 are looking like minus supports, and a major support at 47,000. Now this is going to be our major demand zone in the coming sessions. And if we look at the chart again and try to plan our trade for tomorrow, if Bank Nifty opens somewhere around this range, wait for it to give another rejection of this trend line, because there are only 2 touch points. We normally wait for third touch point for a good confirmation of this trend line break, right? After the third touch point, if it takes support or consolidates and then gives a breakout, you can enter. You can plan upside till this resistance at 47,800 or directly 48,000 round level. But if Bank Nifty takes a rejection, wait for it to test this level at 47,200, but a major support zone will be at 47,000. If it comes here, sustains for a while, then gives a breakdown, you can plan a 200, 300 point downside till this support, till this round level support, and if it directly breaks down, wait for it to retest. So this will be our plan for Bank Nifty and Nifty. Thank you.